Have you been dreaming of traveling abroad or studying abroad, but you just do not think that it is possible because you don't have money in your pocket or because you are broke? Your pocket is empty. Hello. In today's video, I will show you Manjainsi, how you can travel to Turkey for free. Yes, how you can travel to Ankara, Turkey for free. And this is something you're interested in, keep on watching this video all the way till the very end. And if you're new here, I want to know you personally. I want to meet you. What is your name and where are you watching from? Where in the world are you tuning in from? And to all my returning subscribers, I want to say thank you. You guys are the best. Thank you for all that you do. And to you guys that come back to watch my videos, my returning subscribers, thank you. Thank you for always sharing me out. Thank you for liking my videos. Thank you for always clicking on the share button to share with your friends and your village members. If you're new here, that is the culture of this channel. We always share. We love to share good news like this with all of our friends and our communities. So without further ado, let me also introduce myself. So guys, my name is Miriam. I'm based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. And on this channel, I share 3 videos every single week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So make it a day to join me here on this channel. I'm rooting for you guys, and I'm here constantly researching various amazing scholarship opportunities for you. And I also just recently found a scholarship. I found not a scholarship, sorry. I found an opportunity of how you can travel to the UK without having to study, without going through the study route. If you'd like me to publish it in my next video, let me know in the comments. Just ask me, and it shall be given unto you. Without further ado, let's get right into today's video, how you can travel to Turkey for free. Turkey or Turkey. So guys, come with me. Let's go. Let's go. So besties, this is a fully funded scholarship in Turkey, or rather fully funded scholarships in Turkey. Have you heard of the Turkey Bursary 2025? Do you want to study in a country where East meets West? With stunning cities like Istanbul and Ankara, Turkey, they offer more than just beauty. They offer a fully funded degree through the Turkey Scholarships Program. Guys, Turkey Scholarship, also known as Turkey Bursary, they are offered by the Turkish government to international students at all degree levels, bachelor's, master's, and PhD. This competitive program selects students with strong leadership potentials and academic performance. And here is the scholarship coverage. They give you full tuition waiver. They give you monthly stipend. For bachelor's degree, you get 1,000. For master's, you get 1,400. For PhD, you get 1,800. You also get university placements and free accommodation, health insurance, Turkish language course, year 1. You also get full flights. They pay for your flight, to and fro. That's why I told you. You want to travel abroad, you don't have money, you think it's not possible because you're broke. These are opportunities that you can take advantage of. They will pay for your flight. What can be better than that, guys? Don't sleep on these opportunities. Make sure that you like this video, click on the like button so that YouTube would recommend my video to more people, and we can be a blessing as many people like you would find out about this opportunity and they too can apply. Because I want to see more people grow. I want to see more people succeed on this channel. I want to see more of my subscribers travel to their dream destinations just by watching my videos. So guys, I just told you that they will also cover your flight fee, so you have nothing to worry about. And just in case you're wondering what's the eligibility criteria, citizens of all countries except Turkish citizens can apply. You have to be under 21 for bachelor's, 30 for master's, and 35 for PhD. You must have strong academic record, no Turkish university enrollment at the time of the application. Then submit well-written personal statements and a letter of intent. Then get verified with your academic transcript. So upload strong recommendation letters. Use the Turkey Bursary portal to apply directly. And in case you're wondering, why should I choose Turkey? Number 1, affordable lifestyle, rich in culture, food and history, as well as great academic institutions and friendly student environment. So guys, if Turkey is on your vision board, Turkey scholarships are your passport right inside. Make sure that you smash on the subscribe button, like this video, and also start your journey. So guys, if you're considering studying abroad, I want to tell you this for free, and it's based on my own experience. I want to tell you this. Beyond academics, studying abroad is a game changer for building a powerful global network, and here is why. Number 1, you get diverse connections, because studying abroad connects you with peers, with professors and professionals from different cultures and industries. Now, these relationships can open doors to international career opportunities. You also get global perspectives, engaging with diverse viewpoints. They help to enhance your adaptability and cultural intelligence. Skills, yes. These are skills that employers value in today's interconnected world. You also get access to alumni networks because universities abroad have a lot of them have strong global alumni communities. You can tap into these networks and it can lead to mentorship, internships, and job prospects as well as business prospects. You also get exclusive access into events and collaborations. Yes, collaborative spaces. From international conferences to campus clubs, you will have countless opportunities to network with industry leaders and like-minded peers. You also get career boosts. Relationships that are built abroad can translate into recommendations, into partnerships, or even startup collaborations in the future. So guys, if you ask me, I'll tell you, studying abroad is not just about a degree. It is about building a network that spans the globe. So are you ready to take the leap today? Share your thoughts in the comments. Are you going to be applying for this Turkey scholarship? Let me know in the comments. I am here rooting for you and I really want to hear from you guys. So guys, in my next video, I'm going to share with you how you can travel to Canada on a serious budget. Yes, I found a lot of schools, a number of schools where you can apply to in Canada and they will not break the bank. If this is something you're interested in, just tune into this channel, like my video, and do well to share this video with your friends. And if you're new here and you have not introduced yourself yet, my God is watching you. Please introduce yourselves in the comments. I would like to know you and I'd like to meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And to all my returning subscribers, thank you, and thank you so much. I really appreciate every single one of you from the bottom of my heart. God bless you real good. And if you have any question for me, go ahead and you want to book a one-on-one consultation with me, that's what I mean, then go ahead and join my Patreon community, or you can join my channel membership. Yes, join my Patreon community, or you can join my channel membership. You can find the join button right next to the subscribe button right there. You're looking at it. Click on the join button and become part of the inner caucus. That way you can actually book a one-on-one consultation with me if you join my Patreon community or my channel membership. And if you're in a good mood, you can join both of them. That's okay. But guys, no pressure whatsoever. So you can book a one-on-one consultation with me as long as you're a member of my community. So guys, if you also have a question for me, don't hesitate, let me know in the comments. Please guys, to your long dalu pico kwano. What is please in Espanol? Por favor, right? Por favor. If you watch this video, it doesn't translate into applying. You still have to apply. Yes, you still have to apply. So when you watch this video, please make sure that you click on the link in my description and apply. I really want to see you guys succeed. It's not about me, it's about you guys. I'm doing all of this for you guys. And that's why I always say, if you have any question for me, you want to recommend something, you want me to do a research that is tailored to your own specifics, to your recommendation. You are trying to get into, a particular country through student route, through study route, let me know in the comments and I can do the research for you free of charge. Yes, you're welcome. I'm here rooting for you. I'm here working hard day and night for you, and I hope that this message gets to everyone. Let's make this video go viral by sharing with our friends. Share this video with your friends, share it in your communities, your church groups, share with your friends, your students, your colleagues like you, your besties, WhatsApp groups, Facebook groups. Share the way you share all those interesting videos. Share this video and be a blessing to someone today. Thank you all once again, and I wish you all the very best. Let me know in the comments. Are you going to be applying? Let me know. I'm rooting for you. Till I see you guys in my next video, take care of yourselves and bye for now.